How to fix Instagram automatically closes. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix Instagram app automatically closes itself, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been using the Instagram app here and it automatically closes itself, it could be happening because the version of the app is not currently compatible with the version of your operating system. The very first thing I want you to do is first of all long press the Instagram app icon, then tap the I button to come to app info page. Then just go to this option called storage, tap on clear cache, and also make sure to tap on clear data. Once done, simply open up your Play Store and then just check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Once you've done that, sometimes it could also be because your own operating system is not compatible, so open up settings on your phone, just look for the option called software update, check if your phone has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.